This video is definitely gonna be my failed attempt on caramel. I will try again, obviously, but then it has cooled down and it has turned to moi moi or bean cake. It's sweet though, like it's really sweet. Right? Come on, why would it be sweet? You have heavy cream here and a lot of sugar. It's sweet though, but then this is just like a failed attempt. Oof. So yeah, this is it. My failed attempt on caramel. So hello guys, in this video I will be trying out caramel recipe for the very first time. So firstly, what I'll be doing is melting my sugar in this is 300 grams of sugar. By the way, I'll leave a link in the description. This is 300 grams of sugar, and I'll be adding 2/3 cup of water to it. By the way guys, I want my heater already, so it should be melting. So at this stage you just leave it to boil. You will not stir it at all. So at this stage you just leave it to boil. You will not stir it. Let me scrape this remaining parts off. Okay. So you just leave it to boil. You not stir it. So while that is going on, I would be adding my butter and the rest of the ingredients. You should check the link in the description for the recipe though. So when you see that your sugar and water mixture is getting a bit is turning color, is getting a bit dark, you add your 100 grams of butter at room temperature guys. Make sure it's at room temperature or else you have a volcanic caramelization. So you just stir gradually. And make sure it goes everywhere. Scenting so nice already. So while that's mixing, you can add your vanilla flavor. Grab 2 teaspoons. I think 2 teaspoons will be okay. You could add your golden syrup, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. Then give it a bit of stir. So at this point you add your cup of heavy cream. So at this point you add your cups of heavy cream. I don't know, It's depending on your vibe and depending on how creamy you want your caramel to be. So let's start with 1 cup. If you have heavy cream, you could add condensed milk. I'm using condensed milk. I don't know if they are one and the same. Heavy cream, condensed milk. If it's the same thing. Oh, you can see the bubbling from the spill out already. It's heavy. So let's give it a bit of stir. So I like it to boil a bit. I think I'll add a little bit more. Let's say 1/3 cup for measurement sake. Okay. So yeah, I like to cook. I give it a bit of stir just to make sure everything blends properly. I don't know if this is gonna be a failure or a blast. Hope it's not a blast though. Bubbles. Why are there so much bubbles in mine? Okay, bring it down from the fire and just allow it to cool down. So yeah, we're going to allow this to cool down for some minutes and we'll get back to it soon.